You know you're early, buddy, when you gotta walk in because the gate ain't open. Yeah, that's crazy. Give it a like and a subscribe because I gotta walk in 100 yards from the gate where normally I'd have to walk 10 yards. I'll holler back at you when I get situated. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to catch a bass right quick. There's already an old man in a wheelchair fishing right up from me, which don't bother me a bit. I'll help him out any way I can, but it's gonna get so crowded here in a little bit. I hope this don't jinx me getting the net out. Come on, fish. Let's toss this tube around a little bit, see if we can't pick up a largemouth or 2 or 10. I throwed that chatterbait all the way up through here. When I first got here, never got a bite. This place will be a madhouse by lunch. Yeah, it is. That creek channel runs all the way up through there. Then there's a 1 or 2 that breaks off and runs this way.
Yeah, because I was here one day, man, they was jumping like crazy over there.
There's a grass bed. See the end of the dam? Right here? You might as well say there's a drop off right there. It goes and straight down. And there's a grass bed on every bit of it.
I know.
Okay.
But see, that's what not floated to.
Well, you're fishing right there on that drop off and the grass bed. You can fish them both at the same time. You can't help from it, you know. That's where they are generally. There's one. Oh, God almighty, my drag was too loose. You see me all the time messing with my drag. It was too loose, he pulled off. Damn. That sucks. There he is. Ooh, there might be a bed there. Might be a bed there, sure enough. Oh, I missed him. That was a big old carp. No, I got a bass right here I'm working on, but that was a big one. Yeah, it was a big one. I got him that time. Told you about it. Took me 3 times, but I got that fish. He ain't no giant or nothing. But I swear I bet there's a bed there. Bet you there's a bed there. Come here, buddy. Little old buck bass. Look there. Down his face, son. On the tube, guys. Nothing special, you know. But he's a fish. How many times I missed him. Go on, son. See if we can get a square bill bite here. There's one. There's one. Boy, it feels like a good one, too. That's a trout. I guarantee you that's a big old trout hit that crankbait. No, that's a bass. That's a bass. That's a decent one there, guys. Yeah, that's a decent one there. Get him up here where I can get down there and get a hook. Stay down, stay down. Come here. Hey, I can pull him up. Get up here. There we go. Yes, sir. That is probably a pre-spawn bass right there is what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. There we go, guys. He ain't no giant or nothing. Look how fat that fish is right there, though. Post-spawn, pre-spawn, I don't know. We'll take him. Damn if he ain't a fat fish. Well, we'll see. See what happens. He just swimming off. That'll work, fellas. All right, so we can't do that about 10 more times and let them get bigger and bigger each time. That fish was suspended, man. He probably went about 3 foot deep in 20 foot of water. I gotta put some line on this thing. There's one right there on that grass. He ain't big, but he hit right there. He was right where he's supposed to be. That could have been a giant as well as it was this one. Telling you, man, them fish are on that grass. No doubt about it. Little big fish tank fish. Get out here. See if we can catch us a trout or two or something here on the Joe fly. There's one. There we go. That should be a trout there. Oh, he come off right there. God almighty. There's a little bass. Let's try to catch him. There he is. Oh, I'll be damned. Look there. Oh, he come off right there. It's shallow down here, man. There's one. There we go. There's one of them trout right there. There we go. Mm-hmm. Where you at? Where you going? Yeah. No, it ain't the daggone bass. Huh. Decent one too. I thought it was a damn trout. Just a little dink as usual. Go on, son. He was jumping like a trout. Got something right there. I believe it's a little bass. It is. Oh, come here, you youngster. I ain't allowed to catch one over 14, 16 inches long. Golly, boys. Absolutely insane. Out of here. Okay, guys. That took me a good break there. And I want to throw this Contact around a little bit, man. Sun's done come out. Let's see what we can do. There's a bass under this rock right here. Under that rock right there, he is right there. I got him too. Come here, you little critter, you. He hit the contact. Won't you look at that? What a contrast in the bait and the leg gone lower. Ain't that something? It's crazy. Boy, I can fill a fish tank up, that's a fact. Out of here, buddy. I got some bass running some minnows up this bank right here.
You get these rod holders at?
North Carolina.
Pretty nice ones. Can you adjust those to where the bottom's up or a little higher?
Yeah, you can take.
You just order them or what?
Yeah, I ordered them. You can order them. About $26, $27 a piece.
Yeah.
They're worth it, man. I used to do all that tournament fishing, all that carp fishing down there. That's why I got another one. You're allowed to use 4 rods.
Yeah.
And look there. There we go. Look there. That could have been a giant, but it ain't. Looky here.
Yeah.
Old drop shot. Got him one. Oh, daggone it. Get in there. Get in there. Go on. And the streak continues. Little bitty guy. There's a bunch of them in here. Got a bunch of scouts up here today, man. And fella just caught him a largemouth. Good to see all these kids up here fishing. They're all over here. Them little bass are aggressive, man. We've caught a bunch of them. Hey, it's better than nothing, though.
Oh, yeah.
That Stinko's money, boys. It's a guarantee almost to catch bass with them things.
Oh, I know. It's about all I use. No, it's a white one. All right, man, you got it. Okay, I'll have to get that for you. Hold this back.
Y'all got a little tournament?
Big for the kids.
I hear you.
Okay, turn him loose. Here he goes.
There he goes. Good job, man.
All right, let me get this untangled, Max, and then.
I hope you catch a giant, fellas. There you go. That's a nice fish, man. What's your name?
They already took the picture of it.
Yeah, what's your name?
Caleb Taylor.
Caleb?
C-A-L-E-B.
That's a nice fish, Caleb. I'm glad you caught that. That won't be the last one. There's about 50 more laying there. Go get them.